Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check talk time on iPhone, and here's how it is done. If you are wondering how long a specific call is or how long you have talked in a certain time period, basically your entire statistics for the last month or so, I will show you how to find it. Let us tap on the phone button here. Now that we are in here, all we have to do is go to a specific call. I'm going to just tap on the little eye right next to it. So that is the duration for this call. Now, this is for one specific call. You can also see basically a conglomeration or an aggregation of all your calls just by opening up your settings. Then we will tap on cellular here, and all you have to do is scroll down. Towards the bottom, you'll be able to see call time. I just reset these statistics, so the current period is 0 minutes. But whenever you reset it, and at the very bottom it shows you when it was last reset. It will show you your current period, how much call duration or time that you have, and then of course the lifetime. And that is everything you need to know about how to check talk time on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.